Taxslayer Tutorial for Beginners. How to file your taxes on Taxslayer. So basically just a beginner's guide on how this works and what you are able to do inside Taxslayer. So beforehand, Taxslayer is an online tax filing service that guides beginners through preparing and submitting a tax return. So if you want to go ahead and get started, there's the option up here to start for free. If you for some reason already have an account, just go ahead and press and log in with your username and the other options, which is email or phone number. If you forgot your password or your account name, you should be able to press this to prompt with that. But if you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead here and choose the start for free option. So what you're going to do to create an account is put in your email address, put in your username. So this is whatever you want as a username, and finally your password. So it must contain at least all of these: one number, one special number, must contain at least one upper and one lowercase letter, at least 8 characters long, and no prohibited characters, and of course your mobile phone. So you're gonna put in your phone number and they will send a verification code to that phone number. So you're gonna make sure you have that phone number with you, since you're gonna need to put in the verification code here. Also, you need to confirm your password, which is basically just putting the password from here to here and make sure it's both the same to confirm the password. Then you just go ahead and create your account. But once that is done, you can enter your personal information, your filing status, your dependents, and income using documents such as W-2s and 1099s. After entering your income, you can go through the available deductions and tax credits that apply to your situation. But before submitting, you can use Taxslayer's review section to check for missing information or errors. And if you do want more features in your Taxslayer, you have these over here. You have the Simply Free, which is what you're usually going to go for. If you want more, you can go for Classic, Premium, and up to Self-Employed, which is the more expensive one. But of course, it's going to be the one with the most features, I suppose. And you can start for free from all of these options. But if you want, you should be able to see all the products from down here and what they can do. So Classics, Premium, and Self-Employed. If it has a check, that's what it can do. So as you can see, the Self-Employed can do all of these. So let's say it's being more expensive. But again, you can go ahead and check for missing information or errors and carefully verify important details. So such as your social security numbers and income amounts. You can have bank information here, and once everything is correct, you can open the e-file section, which you will be able to find in your account. You can follow the prompts electronically, sign your return, and submit it to the IRS and applicable state tax agency. After filing as well, you can keep checking your Taxslayer account for confirmation that the return has been accepted or if any corrections are needed. If you do want more help with your process or whatever you're doing inside Taxslayer, there should be a contact or a support section in Taxslayer itself. So you can go ahead there as well if you want more assistance. But hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.